Hello, Othello Tunnels here. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Remembrance Day here in Canada, and we have decided to go for a long drive. Actually, just like an hour and 40 minutes from our place. We are now here at Othello Tunnel. That's Coquihalla River. I am now approaching the entrance of this tunnel. This is actually built like I think around 1914. It's composed of 5 tunnels in between our bridges. So let's see what's inside. Ang daming tumutulo dito. We need the payong. Otherwise, bago tayo makarating doon basta. Ayan, madilim siya. Guys, mag-flashlight naman kayo. Ayan. Ayun, dito na. Ayaw gumana ng flashlight ko eh. Actually, this is granite wall. Not very Hello, Othello Tunnels here.
Ganito ang hirap sa Canada. Kailangan pa namin dumaan sa tunnel para lang makauwi.
Exit from the first tunnel. And then, ganito naman ang exit walk. Maybe like that's 200 meters. And then comes the next tunnel. Guys, we are now approaching the second tunnel. So this one is super exit. You can already see the exit of that one. So like a few steps only, and we're on to the entrance of the third tunnel. Palabas na kami. That's it. So this is the bridge that is connecting the second and the third channel. natin itong bridge na to. Maiksi lang to eh. Walking, walking. So others have brought their own flashlight. So ayan, nakikigamit ako ng liwanag nila. There. Oh my God. Ayan, tumutulo sa hair ko. Malapit na matapos yung tour natin sa third tunnel. 2 more to go. Mukhang tatapusin namin talaga lahat. So, ayan. Ito na. Nasa exit na kami ng third tunnel. Guys, this is now the bridge connecting the third and the fourth tunnel. Medyo mas mahaba siya kaysa doon sa dinaanan nating bridge kanina. And ito naman yung continuation din ng Coquihalla River. And this is the right side. Crossing this longer bridge. As you can see guys, parang super dilim at parang hindi mo makita from here yung exit niya, yung end of the tunnel. Hindi ko maiwasan mag-isip kung gaano kahirap nila ginawa ito. Because as I said, this is man-made. Imagine para butasin nila to, no? Made of granite kaya yan. Matigas yan. So, they were able to do that. Oh, maliwanag naman pala. Maliwanag kaysa doon sa mga na-open. Malapit na tayo sa exit. Ayun o. Oh well. Okay, so nandito na kami sa end. And you can see guys, it's closed. This is a hiking trail. So, papunta somewhere. Of course, because it's pandemic and also a fall na palapit na ang winter, palapit na ang sobrang lamig. So, you know, it's for the safety of everyone. Kaya nakasara na yan. Ayan, kita-kita ang mountains. That's it guys. I have showed you kung paano namin pinuntahan yung Othello Tunnel and kung paano namin inisa-isang lusutin ang Othello Tunnels. Sarado na po ito, hindi na ito dinadaanan. So that's it everyone. Pabalik na kami. Same thing, dadaanan namin kung saan kami dumaan papasok dito. And thank you for joining us. Thank you for watching this video. And I hope you just enjoyed watching us, you know, just crossing all the tunnels here. And until next time guys, you have a great day. You take care. Bye-bye.